Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat Path. In the last video, we learned about information gathering, phishing, and social engineering. Now in this video, we will understand different types of malwares and cyber attacks that are commonly used in the real world. In this video, we will cover what is malware, different types of malware, network attacks like DDoS, web attacks like SQL Injection and XSS, and other common cyber threats. These are some of the most important concepts in cybersecurity. Now, let's understand what is malware. Malware stands for malicious software. It is software designed to damage system, steal information, or disrupt operations. Attackers use malware to steal password, access systems, encrypt files, and to spy on users. Malwares can spread through infected files, fake downloads, email attachments, and malicious websites. Let's understand the difference between these malware types. A virus attaches itself to another file or program. When the infected file runs, the virus also runs. It usually requires user's action. Second is worm. A worm spreads automatically without user's interaction. It exploits vulnerability and spreads across the network. This can slow down the system and networks. Then comes a Trojan. A Trojan looks like a legitimate file or software. It takes user to install it. For example, a fake game or cracked software may actually contain malware. Trojan hides malicious operations under the appearance of a legitimate program. Now let's understand ransomware. Ransomware encrypts file and locks the victim system. Attackers then demand money to restore access. This is one of the most dangerous attacks today. Then comes botnets. A botnet is a group of infected devices controlled by an attacker. These infected systems are called bots or zombies. Botnets are often used for a large attack like DOS. Now let's understand network attacks. DOS means denial of services. In this attack, the attacker floods the server with traffic so real users cannot access it. DDoS means distributed denial of services. Instead of one system, many infected systems attack together. This makes the attack much stronger and harder to stop. DDoS attacks often use botnets. Now let's move to web attacks. SQL injection targets database. If a website does not properly validate users' input, attacker can insert malicious SQL queries. This may allow attackers to access database data, bypass login systems, and modify records. SQL injection exploits poorly sanitized input. XSS, which is cross-site scripting, allows attackers to inject malicious script into websites. When another user opens the web page, the script executes. This can steal cookies or user session data. Now, these are some network-based attacks. Sniffing means capturing network traffic. Attackers monitor data packets traveling across a network. Spoofing means pretending to be another device or system. For example, IP spoofing, MAC spoofing. Then comes man in the middle. In MITM attacks, the attackers secretly encrypts communication between two systems. The attacker can steal or modify information during communication. MITM attacks intercepts communication between the systems. Now let's quickly look at other common threats. Credential stuffing. Attackers use stolen username and passwords on multiple websites. This works because many people reuse passwords. Malvertising. Malvertising means spreading malware through advertisements. Even legitimate looking ads can contain malicious links. Then comes spamming. Spamming means sending unwanted messages in bulk. These messages are often used for scams or phishing. So, in this video, we learned malware comes in many forms. Attackers target system, network, and users. Web attacks exploit vulnerabilities. Awareness is very important in cybersecurity. So this was an introduction to some of the most common malware and cyber attacks. used in the real world. In future videos, we will also see practical demonstration and security tools related to these attacks. Cybersecurity is not just about hacking, it is about understanding how attacks work and how to defend against them. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat Path.